Welcome back to the course. In this video lecture, I'm going to show you how you can make money from offering services for listing optimization. So let's say that someone asks you, a client that has a Shopify store, and he wants to sell Apple headphones, for example. And this description about this item, we need to optimize it for Shopify store. And we can ask ChatGPT to do that for us. So I asked ChatGPT to optimize this product listing that I copied from Amazon for product description in Shopify. And then ChatGPT rewrote this, and instead of writing in bullet points, it wrote sentences. Or let's say that you have a client that has real estate agency and he wants to write a real estate description, for example, for a house or the apartment. So I asked ChatGPT to write a listing for a 5-bedroom house, 4-bathroom, and 12,000 square feet. And it gave a good description of luxury living or luxury house. So this type of strategy you can also use for YouTube video description. I asked ChatGPT to write a description for a YouTube video that talks about blogging. And it said the following: learn the ins and outs of successful blogging in this informative and actionable video. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your blog to the next level, we cover everything from finding your niche and creating valuable content to building your audience and monetizing your blog. But because this is a description for a YouTube video, we can ask ChatGPT to add emojis to it. So you see that we have the same video description, but with emojis this time. And now the description really pops out. You can also ask to write a product description with bullet points this time for a waterproof watch. So you see that we got the most important features listed as bullet points because it's easier to read. Then we have a description that is written in full sentences. So if you check on Fiverr services for listing optimization, you see that a lot of people are offering what we did with ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to optimize this Apple AirPod headphones for Shopify. And some are offering this to optimize this listing for Amazon, for example. So this guy is providing its services for $350. There's $275. So you see that SEO optimization and listing for Amazon store, Shopify store, or any other, or even a WooCommerce store, this service is needed. So if you're good at it, if you're interested in this, you can start and create a gig on Fiverr offering this type of listing optimization. On Upwork, people are charging $12 per hour, $5, $15, even $50. So really research your competition before you create and offer services on Upwork, and see which additional services you can offer and at which quality. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.